Bilal ibn Rabah, a former Abyssinian slave, holds a revered place in Islamic history as one of the closest companions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and as the first mu'adhin, caller to prayer, in Islam. His life story is a powerful testament to faith, resilience, and the pursuit of justice. Bilal was born into slavery in Mecca. His mother, Hamama, was also a slave, originally from Abyssinia, modern-day Ethiopia. Despite the harsh conditions of slavery, Bilal was known for his strong character and noble qualities. When Bilal heard about the teachings of Islam, he was deeply moved by the message of monotheism, equality, and justice. He embraced Islam at a time when Muslims were severely persecuted by the Quraysh, the ruling tribe in Mecca. His conversion enraged his master, Umayyah ibn Khalaf, who was a staunch opponent of Islam. Upon discovering Bilal's conversion, Umayyah subjected him to brutal torture in an attempt to force him to renounce Islam. Bilal was dragged through the streets of Mecca, beaten, and placed under the scorching sun with a heavy stone on his chest. Despite the excruciating pain, Bilal remained steadfast in his faith, repeatedly declaring, Ahad Ahad, one, one, affirming his belief in the oneness of God. His unwavering faith and resilience caught the attention of Abu Bakr, a wealthy and respected companion of the Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. Abu Bakr purchased Bilal's freedom, liberating him from the shackles of slavery. Bilal's emancipation became a symbol of Islam's commitment to justice and equality. After gaining his freedom, Bilal became one of the Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, most trusted companions. His melodious voice and deep piety led the Prophet to choose him as the first mu'adhin of Islam. Bilal's call to prayer, the adhan, became a powerful symbol of the new faith, echoing across the city of Medina and beyond. The Battle of Badr was a pivotal moment in Islamic history, marking the first major military confrontation between the early Muslims and the Quraysh of Mecca. The battle took place in 624 CE, near the wells of Badr, and is considered one of the most significant events in the early years of Islam. Bilal ibn Rabah participated in the Battle of Badr, fighting alongside the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his fellow Muslims. The battle was not just a military struggle, but also a test of faith for the fledgling Muslim community. Despite being outnumbered and facing a well-equipped enemy, the Muslims, with divine support, achieved a decisive victory. During the battle, Bilal encountered his former master, Umayyah ibn Khalaf, on the battlefield. This meeting was laden with historical significance and deep personal emotions. When the Muslims captured Umayyah, Bilal recognized him and recalled the years of torture and humiliation he had endured at his hands. Despite his own suffering, Bilal did not initially seek revenge. However, when he saw Umayyah trying to evade punishment, Bilal, with the help of other Muslims, ensured that justice was served. Umayyah was killed, marking a powerful moment of retribution and justice for Bilal. Bilal continued to serve the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the Muslim community with unwavering dedication. He remained the mu'adhin throughout the Prophet's life, and his voice became synonymous with the call to prayer. After the Prophet's death, peace be upon him, Bilal's grief was immense, and he found it difficult to continue his duties as mu'adhin in Medina. Eventually, he relocated to Syria, where he spent his remaining years. Bilal's legacy endures as a symbol of faith, perseverance, and the transformative power of Islam. His life story resonates across centuries as a beacon of hope for the oppressed and a reminder of the importance of justice and equality in Islam. Bilal ibn Rabah's journey from slavery to becoming one of the most honored figures in Islamic history is a testament to the profound impact of faith and the universal message of Islam.